Tonight, hundreds of School District 20 students are in quarantine amid a surge of COVID-19 cases in El Paso County. The large number of children staying at home and the disruption to in-person learning comes just 1 week into the school year.
Investigative reporter Dan Beatty spoke with district leaders on how they are dealing with this latest wave of COVID cases. Dan.
Heather, Bart, D20 officials have started this new school year with a big challenge. Last year, the virus spread more quickly through adult staff. This year, they tell us, it's the students.
It's almost in some ways harder than it was last year.
Out of all Academy District 20 schools with approximately 26,000 students, 294 have either been placed in quarantine or isolation. And that's just since the school year kicked off for D20 last week.
We think a lot of it is those 12 and under can't be vaccinated. So that spread of COVID is just so much more prevalent in our youth populations than it is our adult populations right now in the schools.
D20 releases all their COVID-19 numbers on the district's website. Quarantines have skyrocketed in just the last few days, but the district spokesperson, Allison Cortez, says they're not overdoing it when they tell their students to stay home.
We have a COVID response team. They work with the teachers and the principals to make sure we can prove that a close contact did have 15 minutes or more contact with that positive case. We've gotten really targeted at that.
Currently, D20 is encouraging mask wearing, but it is not required. The district says they are following El Paso County Public Health's lead and already have contingency plans in place should the situation worsen.
Our number one goal is to keep our students engaged in in-person learning in our schools. We know that works best. That is our number one goal. And so we need to do everything in our power to make sure that we can keep them in school.
D20 says they've implemented a number of different policies to mitigate the spread, including holding as many classes as possible outside. But tonight, they're asking for parents' help to take precautions at home. Reporting live in Colorado Springs, Dan Beatty, KRDO News Channel 13.